Hey there. Just like an AC system, there will be an outdoor unit. So if you already have central air or heating ducts, you can just attach it to that. If you don't, that's also not a problem. You just have to take one small extra step of installing mini splits. The outdoor unit hooks up to one or more of these heads, placed on the walls or in the ceiling around your home. They're sort of like individual air vents. This can be a little more expensive, but is usually cheaper than adding ductwork.